So the question everyone is asking, Telegram or WhatsApp? If you've ever found yourself switch between both apps, wondering which one is actually worth keeping, this video is for you. Today I'll be breaking down why WhatsApp may just be better choice in 2025, 2026, and trust me, by the end of this video you will have known the app that suits your lifestyle. Now if you want content like this, consider subscribing and liking this video, and tell me in the comments which messaging app are you using. Now let's start with the basics. Telegram is a playground for tech lovers, packed with features, bots, and fancy tools. WhatsApp is the app that everyone uses. The key difference is WhatsApp wins when it comes to connection, because your friends, family, clients, and even your grandma are already there. It's not about the one who has the features, but it's about the one who has most people, the people factor. Now you can't send a message to a person who is not a Telegram user, but chances are everyone you know is on WhatsApp. That's why WhatsApp is unbeatable when it comes to convenience and reach, security and privacy. WhatsApp chats and calls are end-to-end encrypted by default, but Telegram only in secret chats. Everything else sits in the cloud. So if you care about private messages, WhatsApp keeps you locked tight, easy to use. No extra menus, no confusion. Open, chat, call, done. Telegram can feel like a mini operating system. Cool for tech fans, but a bit much for the casual users. And let's be real, not everyone wants to learn 10 new features just to send a hi. Business and marketing power. If you run a small business, for example, selling phones or any other product, WhatsApp has got your back with WhatsApp Business. You can set up quick replies, product catalogs, and auto messages. Telegram can't compete with that mass reach. But again, Telegram, we all know that it also has some business features, and to be real, these features are paid. The Telegram business features are paid for, but on WhatsApp, they're free. Maybe when you have a larger business and you need to unlock certain APIs and all that, and more features, then it's worth it. But for a small business, we can rely on that. Me personally, I also rely on WhatsApp Business. Call and media. WhatsApp's video and voice calls. These are really stable even on weak connections. File sharing also improved up to 2 GB plus HD photo uploads. So unless you're sending full-length movies, WhatsApp has got you covered. But again, one of the things I realize about Telegram is if you have multiple videos or multiple larger files to send, I think it's the best messaging platform where you can send these lengthy videos, lengthy files. To be honest, I've tried using it and it's too reliable compared to WhatsApp, where you're downloading and your download is just cancelled just like that. But with Telegram, even though your network is poor, it will stabilize and it continues. But WhatsApp will just cancel everything and you're like, where am I? So quick poll, would you switch to Telegram if all your contacts move there? Drop a yes or no in the comments. Now here's the deal. If you want to chat, call, share, and connect instantly with anyone, choose WhatsApp. If you're building communities or experimenting with bots, Telegram is cool with that, but unfortunately not everyone is on Telegram, so that's a drawback. Now at the end of the day, WhatsApp gives you reach, reliability, and security all in one. So tell me down below, are you team WhatsApp or your team Telegram? And the question is, why? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.